Hi and welcome to today's project. In this project today I was gifted all of these different stones back in February from Tracy. Tracy follows me on YouTube and other social medias, and she's been collecting these for years, and when she realised I couldn't get hold of any, she decided that she would send me some out, which was such a kind thing to do. I couldn't believe it when I got this delivery on the amount of stuff that she'd actually put in. Some absolutely beautiful stuff in here, and it's been waiting for quite a long time for me to do a project with it. I'm not all that sure of all the names that are in here. I don't know if you can see them that well, of the different stones. But today's project is just a little bit of a tester really, because I don't know how some of these will cut with the carbide tools. So I'm just going to put it onto a little ring. This is a JDG ring core, and I got this from Taylor's Murfield. I'll put a link down below. He does all of these ring cores in all the different sizes. And I am going to be using some Alumidust blue green with some aqua blue glow in the dark, and we're just going to set a couple of the little stones in there, hopefully down the centre. So I'll get this up onto the mandrel. There won't be any other talking in the middle. I just wanted to come in and just thank Tracy for all of this stuff. It was very, very generous of her. There will be other projects. There's another project that I've actually started and not completed yet, so today's a good tester just to see how well they cut with the carbide tools. So hope you enjoy, and thanks very much for watching.